Here I have HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, of course. So let me take like one photo with this feature enabled just to show you an example. And then, as you can see, it immediately even asks me if I want to enable this mirror reflection feature or if you want to disable it. So let's suppose that I have it enabled. Then if you want to disable it, go to settings, and here you can find mirror reflection. Just switch it like this, and now your photos won't be mirrored anymore. As you can see on this one, we have lightning from the left side, and on this one from the right side. But like it's actually from the right side here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.